Okay, so happy Tuesday. Welcome to math. I don't normally make math videos, but I wanted to do a quick refresher for you guys before you do your IXL activity today, because it has been a hot minute since we have done two-digit addition, and I want you guys to have a quick reminder. So I'm just going to do like 2 or 3 problems on my whiteboard with you today. You can just watch. And then that way, when you are working on your two-digit addition on IXL, you have this as a reminder. You can do it with your paper and pencil. Also, look, I painted my nails. I'm not good at painting my nails. You guys know I get my nails done. So I haven't been able. Oh, my toes are Rosie. She's a really bad listener. Come here. What are you doing at someone? They're just walking by. Okay, back on track. Two-digit addition. So when we have two-digit addition, we kind of can think about it in a couple different steps. But what's really important is that we're able to identify our tens and our ones place. I'm just going to keep talking through Rosie growling, so apologies. All right, so let's say I have 43 plus 35. Okay. So the first thing that we do is we want to identify what numbers are in the tens place and what numbers are in the ones place for both numbers. So remember, we used to do that with a box and a circle. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my boxes. So we do tens plus ones plus tens plus ones. And we're going to break down our numbers. So the number 43 has a 4 in the tens place. Well, we know that's not just a 4. 4 tens equals 40. So we have to write 40. And then there's a 3 in the ones place, and 3 ones is just the number 3. Then we come over to the number 35, not quite underneath it. And I see that the number 3 is in the tens place. Same thing. Can't just write 3 because 3 tens is 30. 10, 20, 30, right? And then we have a 5 in the ones place, and I can put that in my circle. Now I want to add together my boxes and my circles. So I'm going to have box plus circle. All right. So one box, so 40 plus 30. 40 plus 30. Now, once again, we can kind of just look at the tens place. So I see that there's a 0 in the ones place, so I know there's going to be a 0 in my answer. And then I look at the beginning and I have 4 and a 3. Well, I can just do 4 plus 3, that equals 7. So 40 plus 30 equals 70. Now we do the same thing for our ones. Our ones is a little bit quicker, easier for us to think about. It's just 3 plus 5, which equals 8. Now I used to always tell you guys to just smush them together, right? You can do 70 plus 8, so we can count up from 70, 8 more, or we can smush them, right? So when we smush them, our 8 takes over our 0, and we get 78. So 43 plus 35 equals 78, okay? Now I'm going to do this again, but I'm going to take out a step. So if you still need to do it with this full middle line, that is perfectly okay. But by the end of third quarter, when the last time I saw you, we had taken out that second step. So we were one step ahead. So I want to make sure that you're reminded of the way we were doing it before we left school, okay? All right, let's do 56 plus 21. All right, so what we did for our last step was just 10 plus 1. So that means we're going to be doing some mental math. That's math that we do in our heads. So once again, I just have my tens and my ones. So what I need to do to figure out what to put my number in this tens box is I need to add together my tens from up above. Well, there's a 5 in the tens place over here and a 2 in the tens place over here. So I have 5 tens plus 2 tens equals 7 tens. 7 tens equals 70, okay? Not just 7, we have to write it as a 70. So 5 tens 2 tens equals 7 tens, which equals 70. Then we have our ones place, which is our circle. We have a 6 and a 1. I take 6 ones plus 1 1, and I get 7. Ooh, pardon me. 7. 7 ones is the number 7. So all I do is put my number 7. Then I squish them together. 70 plus 7. My 7 from my ones place takes over the 0, and now I have 77. So 56 plus 21 equals 77. I'm going to do one more example. If you're like, Mrs. Overish, I could do this all by myself when we were there in third quarter and I haven't forgotten it, then bye, see you later. Good luck on IXL. If you want to have one more video or one more example, hang around. All right. Let me see. Sometimes I like to see if I can trick you guys, and I'm never very good at it. Let's do 65. Ooh, that's not what I wrote. Okay, try that again. Let's do 65 plus 34. I don't know why I feel like this is tricky. This is not even that tricky, but that's okay. Okay, so once again, we do our tens plus our ones. Now we need to figure out what we're going to put in our tens box. While I come up to my top numbers and I need to get the tens out. So 6 is in the tens place in the number 65. So 6 tens. 3 is in the tens place in the number 34. So 3 tens. So I have 6 plus 3. 6 tens plus 3 tens equals 9 tens. 9 tens is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90. So 6 tens plus 3 tens equals 90. Now we do our ones. I have a 5 in the ones place in the number 65 and a 4 in the ones place in the number 34. So I have 5 ones plus 4 ones equals 9. 9 ones. Squish them together. 99. I don't know why I thought that was going to be tricky. 65 plus 34 equals 99. You guys. You guys know I'm not good at thinking of things off the top of my head. Okay. All right. Good luck on IXL. You have 2-digit. Tomorrow and Thursday, we're going to be practicing some subtraction from 2-digit numbers, which is something that we like barely touched on in school. So that's going to be kind of some new stuff. So be prepared for that. But you guys did a great job with this in school. So I can't wait for you guys to show off that work to your parents as well. All right. Happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Okay, bye.